In front of me is Xiaomi Black Shark 4, and let me show you how to change keyboard dictionary on this phone. So at first you need to open, for example, messages or any other area where you can enter the text. And as you can see, currently we are set up with English. If you would like to change it, just tap on settings icon, click on languages at the top of the list, select add keyboard and pick the one that you want to apply. As you can see, you've got a great selection of those languages, and let me pick Hebrew so the change is truly visible. And from now on, as you can see, we've got Hebrew letters. And if you'd like to change it again, just perform the same action. So open the settings, pick languages, add some keyboard that you want to have, remove unnecessary keyboard, and that's it. So that will be all how you can manage keyboard dictionary. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.